There was food and fun amongst friends at a gathering of tech professionals to receive certificates of completion
for their training in SAP SuccessFactors.
Since 2016, HR tech solutions provider Rolling Arrays has trained over 200 individuals, turning them into industry-ready
HR tech consultants.
Its program affords participants mentorship as well as networking.
I think the best part of the program is putting like-minded people together, 10, 20 of us, same age group, and we just really bonded and we learned a lot from each other as well.
But I'm very happy that we were able to pull this.
Manu Khaitan is CEO of Rolling Arrays. He founded the company in 2009 with offices in 6 geographical locations. Rolling Arrays' vision is to create positive human experience across both its customers and employees.
The idea of Rolling Array services that we provide actually, that we are more than a typical system integrator. But we say that we are an HR system integrator where we will align your processes, then we will implement them, and then we will help you to adopt them.
Rolling Arrays HR Tech Training Academy is aimed primarily at fresh graduates and even IT professionals in non-HR domain, looking for a leg up in Singapore's competitive HR tech industry landscape.
Really, the program is targeted to bring fresh graduates because, you may or may not have as much experience, you may or may not know what it's like in the business, and being able to train you specifically on a very niche skill set, right?
According to a report by Manpower Group, 83% of employers in Singapore experience difficulty finding suitable talent. IT and data skills are cited as the most highly sought after skills in 2025.
It's not easy to be able to break into the SAP consulting world, largely because historically as well, the gap between a fresh graduate or someone who doesn't know SAP to be able to get trained and certified on it is usually quite big.
One initiative Singapore has rolled out to tackle its skills gap is the Tech Skills Accelerator company-led training program, or TESA CLT. Rolling Arrays was the first mid-sized company to take part in the program. Significantly, it offers a clear career path for participants who wish to stay on and seek employment within the company.
We hire them at associate level, and then basically they graduate towards consultant. Once they complete the initial training and we feel that they are fit to face the customer, and then they become senior consultant, lead consultant and solution architect.
As a mark of its success, Rolling Arrays was named one of Singapore's top 100 fastest growing companies in 2020, 2021 and 2024.
One of the keys to establishing itself as a trusted HR tech solutions provider has been through the adoption of futuristic HR automation techniques.
The future of HR is digital, and HR tech consultants are at the forefront. From AI-driven recruitment to automated payroll and performance tracking, cutting-edge technology is transforming the way businesses manage people. As demand for HR tech solution increases and companies adapt to a changing workforce, one question remains: how far will innovation redefine HR as we know it?
According to Goldman Sachs' economic research, global investment in AI technologies will reach $200 billion by 2025. Businesses and organisations must think ahead and put in place processes that will prepare them for future AI technologies.
I personally feel strongly about the fact that we should think and train our people to be able to design AI-first processes, and specifically in the domain of HR. And I think that's going to be the differentiator as a consulting firm in the HR tech space, as well as basically for the customers to transform HR.
Last year, Seatown Holdings, a leading Asia-focused alternative investment firm owned by Temasek, acquired a controlling stake in Rolling Arrays through its APAC digital tech platform Skyform.
This new backing has enabled Rolling Arrays to expand operations. Skyform CEO Yuan N. Lim says the company's investment in human capital was a key factor behind the acquisition.
The exceptional talent base is, in our view, the secret sauce for its rapid expansion in Singapore and also the rest of the region. Its academy and training program is very rigorous. It is very thoughtful and has a proven track record of producing very high quality professionals in the technology space.
Seatown Holdings' support paves the way for further advancement. As the HR Tech Training Academy equips fresh graduates for the workforce, Rolling Arrays is poised to play a crucial role in addressing Singapore's skills gap.